how to check and inflate your tyres using a tower found on most petrol forecourts. Today I'm going to show you. Step 1. Check what your tyre pressure should be. Step 2. Remove the tyre valve caps, but remember to keep them safe. Step 3. After payment, if it's a multi-station, remember to select air. Step 4. Select the tyre pressure required. Step 5. Hold the connector onto the tyre valve. Step 6. The unit will beep when the pressure is reached. Remove the connector quickly before air escapes. Step 7. Screw the tyre valve caps back on.